How to download screen mirroring application, which is also known as Casto, on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download Casto application, which is a screen mirroring application for your Android device. So first thing, simply head over to your Play Store, and once you're inside your Play Store, just click on the search bar and just search in for screen mirroring. So once you search in for screen mirroring, you just have to add in some title, just like so. Now you just have to click on the first option and then just click on the application itself and just click on install and wait for some time. Depending upon your internet connection, it should be downloaded pretty fast. So if you don't find the application named Casto, you can also use alternative to it. So that's what I've done. So it might not be available in every location. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.